Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 115 in Log for 5 year journey and I hope you are doing well. So I was doing some biceps curls with my bag and shooting some things that I will edit, and now I will show you this thing that I have edited and it's kinda stuff. So basically the thing I was edited, I hope you saw that in first, but now the time I will edit. And the second thing is it's too hot here, so I need to go down and do my last exercise, which is called Superman for back. And that's because now I have no low charge. I will cut, like I will turn you over after I take some bath, and after eating some food. Okay, so I will come back in 3, 2, 1, back. So basically I'll wear it, and I need to give this iron. It's kind of old money stuff, you know. I really love old money, but I have some extra stuff like this jersey and also this baggy pant, but I don't like to wear it because I feel so much uncomfortable with this kind of stuff, like wearing baggy pants and like baggy drop shoulder, this kind of stuff. But I have drop shoulder, but it's not fully baggy, it's fitted, so it's kind of stuff. So now I will wear it, then let's back. Done. So now it's 3, like it's like 3:31, and this is the thing that I always shoot with. And I also use stick and this kind of stuff, and like a stick, or sometimes I use it. This is for POV videos. It's feel funny. It is also funny because I don't have any kind of stuff to do it or shoot video, but I have lot of stuff and lot of thing, like I have knowledge. So I have knowledge to how to make it. So as a human, we all have new knowledge. Some has much, some has less, but we always have the thing that called knowledge. That's why we are different from other animals. That's why we can create anything by ourselves. From creating fire to creating rockets, everything is created by us. So that's why we can do anything. That's why I don't need high quality phone, high quality things. I just need a phone. So I am now recording with iPhone 6s, this phone, and this is my cap that I always wear when I shoot some video, and my watch. Hope you see that. And that's it. And today is 18. Oh damn. So we'll be fine and we'll win at the end. And vision board here, always seeing that and manifesting about it, and this month goal. So hope that we hit 160 subs in this month, and that's my goal for it. And at the end I will, and I do.